This is a video that I'm gonna show you how to install or activate eSIM on your new Oppo Find X8. And first, before you're able to install eSIM, you need to make sure that you go into the company and convert a physical SIM into eSIM. After you convert eSIM, the company gonna give you some kind of QR code that gonna look something like this. And then what you're gonna do, you need to go into setting, then go into mobile network, and make sure you go into eSIM, and then you need to make sure you enable this option and click enable at the bottom. Now all you have to do, you need to click on add eSIM. It can show something like this, so it may take like few seconds. And then you have two options. The first one where you can set up an eSIM or transfer a SIM from another device. In this case, I'm gonna click on set up an eSIM. And then you're gonna see it go into camera where you can scan the QR code. So put the QR code something like this. It's going to set up an eSIM, and it is a very simple process. And now click on set up right here, and that's it. You're gonna see your eSIM is all set, and then click on finish. Now it already connected to the network. You can see we have a switch right there on the top. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.